In this inspiring genius video, you will learn interrogative and relative pronouns while knowing about some of the richest people in the world. Now, do you know who is the richest person in the world? It's Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. अब ये जो सेंटेंस है हु इज द रिचेस्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड, यहाँ पे जो वर्ड है हु इज यूज टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन. तो द वर्ड्स विच आर यूज टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस इन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस उन्हें कहते हैं इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस. तो देर आर मेनली 7 इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस. कौन से? हु, व्हाट, विच, whose, whom, whoever, and whatever. तो let's see how they form questions. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहला वाला, which are the books that Bill Gates reads to stay smart and relevant? What does one do to become rich like Warren Buffett? Whom do you want to meet? Bill Gates or Warren Buffett? अब जरा इस वाले सेंटेंस पे आप नजरें डालिए. That man who is wearing plain clothes is one of the richest men in the world. अब do you think ये जो who यहाँ पे है that is an interrogative pronoun? इसका जवाब है नो, इट इज नॉट. इट इज नॉट फॉर्मिंग अ क्वेश्चन. इट इज अ relative pronoun here. Relative pronouns are used to refer to nouns mentioned earlier. जैसे इस वाले एग्जाम्पल में who is referring to that man. तो the relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, that and which. मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट करता हूं आपके लिए. हु, whom, whose, that and which. Let's look at the way how relative pronouns are used. Who, whose and whom are used for people. For example, the man whose house you are buying is my neighbor. अब which is used for both animals and things. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल, the car which they bought is expensive. That use होता है for both people and things. अगला एग्जाम्पल, the people that I met on the way were very friendly. आगे बढ़ते हैं. We also use what as a relative pronoun in the sense of that which or the thing which. For example, what you want cannot be given to you. तो यहाँ पे what is used as that which. एक और एग्जाम्पल, you got what you deserved. अब यहाँ पे what is used as the thing which. Whose is used as a relative pronoun for inanimate objects too. For example, the book whose thousands of copies were sold was written by Bill Gates. The house whose value is in millions is owned by Jeff Bezos. Take a look at this sentence now. Rich people want investors who they can trust. Ab, do you think who is used correctly here? No, it is not. It should be replaced by whom. Whom functions as the object in a sentence and who functions as the subject in a sentence. For example, CEOs who care for their staff are respected. So chalo, let's solve a few questions now. Fill in the blank with a suitable interrogative pronoun. Dash is this purse. अब ये सेंटेंस ऐसा साउंड करता है ना कि जैसे हम पूछ रहे हो फॉर द पर्सन टू हुम द पर्स बिलोंग्स. तो यहाँ पे वी विल यूज द इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन हुज टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस. ठीक है, कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस बिलो विथ अ सुटेबल relative pronoun. Where did you buy the book डैश यू गेव टू योर ब्रदर। अब इस सेंटेंस में हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट अ बुक, यानी कि एक चीज, अ थिंग। वी नो दैट विथ थिंग्स वी यूज विच, तो हेंस द करेक्ट आंसर इज वेयर डिड यू बाय द बुक विच you gave to your brother. The pronoun that is also correct here. तो now you know all about interrogative and relative pronouns. तो अगर एग्जाम में ये टॉपिक आया तो आप बिल्कुल जीनियस की तरह फटाफट से सब जवाब दे सकते हो। वैसे stay tuned to the Genius app for more such awesome videos and of course Genius से पढ़ो, Genius बनो।